Unravel websites to make money online. In the ever-expansive landscape of the World Wide Web, countless opportunities await for those seeking to make money online. Whether you're looking for part-time gigs, full-time roles, or even passive income opportunities, there's a wealth of options to suit your needs. However, it's crucial not to fall into the trap of giving up too soon. Many individuals claim that nothing works for them, but it's essential to take a closer look at your efforts before reaching such a conclusion. In this script, we'll provide step-by-step guidance on finding and exploring online income opportunities to help you succeed. The online world is teeming with possibilities to bolster your income. And today, we're going to uncover 10 secret websites that you may have never heard of. Our aim is to provide you with unique platforms that aren't widely known. By venturing into these less traveled online avenues, you'll discover opportunities even after thousands of others have explored them. Number 1. Starter Story. Starter Story is an inspiring platform that features interviews with successful startup founders. It serves as a valuable resource for individuals interested in entrepreneurship. Many freelancers have benefited from the platform by finding freelance writing opportunities. Some have reported earning substantial incomes, with figures exceeding $27,000 through freelance writing gigs they discovered via Starter Story. Number 2. Cleanly. Cleanly is a lesser-known platform with a unique proposition. It rewards users for performing basic administrative tasks such as sending emails. When you sign up for Cleanly, you receive a starter pack of 5,000 emails, and you can earn money by receiving 10 cents per click on these emails. Additionally, Cleanly offers a referral program that provides users with $97 for each referred user who upgrades to a paid plan. Third, quickplace. Quickplace is an ideal platform for content creators, particularly those active on social media. It connects creators with brands, offering opportunities for brand collaborations. Content creators can get paid for promoting specific brands to their followers. Quickplace provides a platform to monetize your social media presence, and your earning potential is often tied to the size and engagement of your social media following. Fourth, Commands. Commands is a platform tailored for individuals with expertise who are willing to provide advice or mentorship to others. By signing up for free on Commands, you can monetize your mentoring skills. This platform allows you to earn money by offering guidance and advice to those seeking your expertise in various areas. Number 5. Hector. Hector caters to newsletter owners and bloggers, offering a unique way to monetize your content. It enables you to convert your blogs into newsletters and monetize them through sponsored posts. Hector collaborates with eto.io to facilitate this process, providing content creators with opportunities to monetize their content effectively. Number 6. Thumbtack. Thumbtack is a valuable platform for freelancers, offering services such as lawn mowing, digital marketing, SEO, social media marketing, and moving services. Service providers can create listings for their services on Thumbtack, and individuals seeking these services can find and hire them through the platform. It acts as a bridge connecting service providers with potential clients. Number 7. Songfish. Songfish is a platform designed for those with musical talents, specifically in songwriting. It offers a controlled space to monetize your songwriting skills. If you possess the ability to craft lyrics and melodies, Songfish provides opportunities to earn money by creating songs for various purposes. Number 8. Arrived Homes. Arrived Homes is a platform tailored for real estate enthusiasts looking to invest with minimal capital. It operates as a crowdfunding platform for real estate investments. Investors can start with as little as $100, and their investments are diversified across different properties, allowing them to earn returns based on the performance of these investments. Number 9. Legendary Marketer. Legendary Marketer is an educational platform that guides individuals on making money online. It features a 15-day business builder challenge, which has been instrumental in helping students and partners scale their online earnings significantly. Some participants have reported going from zero to earning $20,000 per month within a few months. Number 10. Gumroad. Gumroad is a versatile platform that empowers creators to sell their products directly to their audience. Creators can offer a wide range of products, including digital items like ebooks, music, videos, as well as physical products. Gumroad also provides tools for setting up a storefront and managing sales, making it a valuable resource for monetizing creative work. These platforms offer diverse opportunities for income generation, from freelance work and brand collaborations to real estate investment and online education. Whether you're looking to enhance your income or embark on a new entrepreneurial journey, these platforms can serve as effective challenge for achieving your goals. Exploring these lesser-known online platforms can be a game changer for your income. Remember, it might take some trial and error to find the perfect fit for you, but perseverance is key. We encourage you to dive into these opportunities and take the first step towards enhancing your online income. The World Wide Web is brimming with untapped potential. Don't be discouraged by initial setbacks. Keep your ambition alive. Explore these unique online platforms and find the right opportunity for you. Your success may require trying 10 different paths to find the one that leads you to your goals. Keep persevering, have faith, and your online income journey will surely lead to a brighter financial future. Until next time, best of luck on your online money-making endeavors. And if you found value in this information, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. Walk good!